Alright, my mods so far: short antenna, battery, whatever the fuck you call it, catch can. That wire is going to my inverter. I know it's sloppy. Love the lights right there. Fucking makes it look badass. Love the lights right here. These things go off when the doors are closed. What else? What else? Oh. Got front and rear cameras. That's the hood, obviously. That's the back, recording my truck bed. Truck's been pretty fucking awesome. I got the assist tailgate thingy. And that's about it. I mean, I've wired and hidden everything pretty damn well. There's a fuck ton of wires all up in here. There's the GPS for the camera mirror. Got a plug here, laptop here, inverters back there. Pretty cool though.